Students, today we will perform experiment on this apparatus, and our aim is to calibrate an orifice meter and to study the variation of coefficient of discharge with Reynolds number. So we begin this experiment by switching on the centrifugal pump, and once we switch on the pump and we allow the water to flow through this pipe, then you can find the water is flowing through this pipe and this valve is open, so that this line is connected with the sump again. Now, to measure the differential pressure across the orifice meter, there are two pressure probes which we have inserted here, and these two probes are connected with this piezometers. Now we can find this one will give you the pressure at the upstream side of the orifice meter, and this will give the pressure at the downstream side. Then you can find the upstream pressure is higher and the downstream pressure is low. So you need to record these two pressure from this one. And now to measure the actual discharge, we need to close this discharge valve, and then we allow water to flow into this collecting tank, and then we can fix up certain level. Let's say I have fixed up 4 centimeter, and then I can start the stopwatch to record the change in elevation difference of this collecting tank. So within this 10-second time, the change is from 4 to 9.5 centimeter. So that will give me the record for the actual flow rate. Now, one set of reading we have done with. Now to record the second set of experiment readings, we need to further operate this valve so that we can allow more water to flow through this setup. So I am closing this bypass valve. So by closing the bypass valve, we can find there is a change in differential pressure across the orifice meter, and here the reading changes, and now it becomes 46.5 centimeter, and this becomes 87 centimeter. Now I have to record this one, and then again I have to record the actual flow rate. So the procedure will be same. I have to set certain initial level, let's say again 4 centimeter. Now I am recording the change in level in 10 seconds time. So in 10-second time, the change in level need to record it. The reading is 11 centimeter. So this will give the actual flow rate, and the same steps need to be repeated to get the different values for differential pressure across the orifice meter as well as flow rate. So once we record set of values, then we can do, or rather get the objective. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you.